So do you want to deactivate your Instagram account? So in today's video, I'll tell you how you can deactivate your Instagram account on a temporary basis. Whenever you need, you can come back and you can activate your Instagram account again. So without wasting any time, let's get started and watch this video till the end to know the whole process. So I'm using my laptop to do the whole process. You can switch into your phone as well. So I'm using my laptop. So let's start the process. So first of all, I'll open my Instagram account. Then I'll click on my profile. Then I'll click on this settings. Then click on settings and privacy. Now you can click on see more in account center. Now come to personal details option under the account settings option. Now click on account ownership and control. Now click on deactivation or delete. Select the profile. Now you are getting two different options. Number one is to deactivate your Instagram account. If you select the deactivation process, the Instagram will give you one option that whenever you want to come back, you can come back by logging your Instagram ID and password. And if you want to delete your Instagram account permanently, so you can select the second option, that is deleting the Instagram account on a permanent basis. But right now I have to deactivate my Instagram account for a temporary basis, so I'll go with this option right now. So I'll click on continue button. Now Instagram will ask me to add my password, so I'll put my password and then I'll click on continue. Once I'll put my password and I'll click on continue, the Instagram account will be deactivated. You will be logged out from your phone or whatever the device you are using it. Either you are using the laptop, you're using the PC, or you are using any particular phone. So if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, share with your friends, and yes, do not forget to subscribe our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. But hold on, if you want to watch more videos like this, so you can watch any videos from there, and I'll meet you in the next one.